This is the third part of this video series where we'll be learning the half around the world. In part 1 and 2, we learned the around the world and the half the world. So I recommend you watch those videos for more insight. Just like the previous two moves, the half around the world also comes in two forms, outside and inside. Now this skill is very easy to perform. Just juggle the ball, hit the side of it, and perform a rotation, but do not complete it with the same leg. Rather, keep on juggling the ball with the other leg. Again, you juggle the ball, perform a rotation around it with one leg, but keep on juggling the ball with the other leg. And that's basically it. It's much easier to do this skill than the previous two moves, but this skill is a start to many complex tricks. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps someone out there. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment where you are in your freestyle journey. And peace out.